Mezzanine Safety Gate allows accessibility to high mezzanine levels while providing the OSHA required 42-inch high handrail, the 21-inch high mid-rail, and the 4-inch high toe board. This safety gate is welded with all steel construction and has baked in safety yellow powder-coated toughness. The gate design is balanced to allow for easy operation without the use of springs. It rotates for a usable area, plenty of space for a standard pallet. Push down on the gate so the fork truck can unload the pallet to the mezzanine. Simply lift up after the fork truck has cleared the area to access the pallet. For a sturdy barrier that allows access to material on an upper level, the Mezzanine Safety Gate is the product for protecting personnel and important merchandise.